Today we're going to look at how we can able to use a TI-84 to do. We want to show how you can do this complex number, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on this TI-84. So for you to find your I is down here. So you go to second, and then the period here brings the I. So that's how we will be using it. Okay, so we have an expression here that we want to do. 5 minus 3i plus 10 plus 7i. So we will be utilizing the parentheses, or some people say bracket. Go to bracket here or parentheses. You type your 5 minus 3. For you to get your I, you go to second point here. You close it, and then you bring operation plus. You open. You type your 10, and then plus 7i. You close it, and then you enter, and that gives you the answer as 15 plus 4i. So here we got 15 plus 4i as an answer. Okay, so our next example, we want to subtract the complex expression below. So here we are using the TI-84 plus to do that. So you pick your parentheses, and then 2 minus 3i. You close it, and then minus parentheses open negative. So you use this negative 5 plus 8i. Close it, and then you enter, and that give you 7 minus 11i as the final answer using the TI-84. So you get 7 minus 11i as an answer. Okay, so we have another expression that we would like to simplify into a plus bi, and we have the expression here. So we grab our TI-84, we go to parentheses, type our 9 plus 3i, close, plus open 7 minus 6i, close it, minus open 2 plus 5i, and we close it, then we enter, and boom, you see, we make it much easier. So we get 14 minus 8i as an answer. Here using that TI-84, we will do a video on how you can do it without the TI-84. Okay, next one, we are using the TI-84 for complex number multiplication. So we have this here, we want to multiply. So we grab the TI-84, we go to our parentheses, we type 7 plus 5, close it, and then nothing in between, that means multiplication. And then we pick 4 minus 3i, we close it, and we enter, and that gives us the answer as 43 minus I as a result. We have another expression here that we want to do it on the TI-84. Because of the I, this is a complex number, which is imaginary number, and it's all squared. So we will grab our TI-84, go to the parentheses, type 4 minus I, close it, and then all squared you use here, down here, and then you enter, and that gives you the answer beautifully here as 15 minus 8i. So 15 minus 8i as an answer. Okay, so we're looking at the next operation, which is the quotient, which is the same as division. So we have been given this, and we want to use a TI-84. And as I said, that we will be doing it without the calculator. And here you know that if you want to do it, if it involves with a lot of steps, you should have been multiplying with the conjugate, but the calculator will do it for us so easily. So let's grab our calculator, we go to the parentheses, and then we type our 5 minus 2i, we close it, we divide, bring your parentheses, and then 3 minus 2i, close it, and then you enter, and you see here it's giving you a decimal. There's no cause for alarm. We want to express this back into a fraction. We go to MEV here, and then option 1, which is fraction. So we enter, and then we enter, and then boom, it brings us to the fraction that we are looking for. So our fraction that we are looking for is that. So this will give us 19 over 13 plus 4i over 13 as an answer. Alright, so here we want to look at some of the i's have exponents that we can able to calculate. So I2, you just go to your second I and square this here, and then you enter, and that gives you -1. Then you go to here, I to the power 3. So you will use this one, then you type 3 and you enter, and that gives you -I. And you go to I to the power 4. So second I to the power, use this one, 4, and that gives you 1. And you go to I to the 20. So second I to the power 20, and you get 1. Grab your calculator again, you go to I to the power 31. That give you, so you kind of all the exponent here, but the last, you look at the last number, which is going to be -I. That's the one that we're going to use. And as we do it without the calculator, you will get more understanding. That's going to be our next video. Let's continue to do this i's. So we go here, use this negative, and we pick our I, we close it, and it's to the power 6. That gives us -1. Pick our parentheses, and it's -I to the power 5, and that gives us -I. That's how you can use this T1-84 to do this complex imaginary numbers. Please subscribe. Today is your first time watching. Thank you for watching. I'll continue to watch the videos, like it, and leave a comment. Now let me write the answers here. So here give us -1, here give us -I, here give us 1 and -I, and here give us, was it negative? -I. See you in the next video. Bye bye.